This may feel difficult to believe, especially if you have been worrying about bills, waiting for a financial change, or working hard without seeing the results you deserve. Money struggles can make you feel tired, afraid, and uncertain about the future, but your present situation does not decide the rest of your life. Things can change when you stop seeing money as something that is always far away and begin opening your mind to new possibilities. Money can reach you through opportunities, ideas, helpful connections, better decisions, new work, and unexpected sources. You may not know exactly how it will arrive, but you can prepare yourself to notice and receive it. This begins by changing the fearful thoughts that tell you there is never enough or that financial comfort is not meant for you. From the second section, you will hear a few long-form affirmations created to help you release those limiting thoughts and feel more open to abundance. Listen to each one calmly and allow the words to connect with your heart. You do not need to force yourself to believe everything immediately. Simply stay present, breathe gently, and give your mind permission to imagine a life where money feels safe, steady, and easier to receive. Now, take a slow breath and allow these affirmations to guide your thoughts toward greater peace and abundance. You do not need to rush or force anything. Simply listen and let each word remind you that financial change is possible. I am open to receiving money through honest, positive, and unexpected opportunities, and I trust myself to recognize these opportunities when they appear in my life. I release the belief that money must always be difficult to earn, because I am ready to experience greater ease, support, and financial comfort. I am worthy of having enough money to meet my needs, care for the people I love, enjoy my life, and build a secure future. I no longer feel guilty for wanting more, because I understand that money can give me freedom, choices, and the ability to do more good. I am becoming calmer and more confident whenever I think about money. I release old fears, painful memories, and limiting beliefs that made me feel powerless. My past financial struggles do not control my future, and every wise choice I make is leading me toward greater stability. I welcome new ideas, useful connections, better opportunities, and unexpected sources of income into my life. I trust that money can reach me in ways I have not yet imagined. I am ready to receive more, manage it wisely, and allow abundance to become a natural part of my life. Fear and worry about money can quietly take over your thoughts. You may check your bank balance and immediately feel anxious, or lie awake at night wondering how everything will be paid. These feelings are understandable, but constantly expecting financial problems can make it harder to see helpful choices and new opportunities. When your mind is filled with fear, even a small challenge can feel impossible. Letting go of worry does not mean ignoring your bills or pretending that everything is perfect. It means choosing to face your situation with a calmer mind. Instead of repeatedly thinking, "I will never have enough," gently remind yourself, "This situation can improve, and I am capable of finding a way forward. This simple change can help you feel more in control. You are not your current bank balance, your debt, or the financial mistakes you made in the past. Those things are only parts of your present experience. They do not define your worth or decide your future. Take one step at a time. Make the best decision you can today, then allow tomorrow to reveal its next opportunity. As fear becomes quieter, your mind becomes clearer. You begin to notice solutions, ideas, and possibilities that worry once prevented you from seeing. The thoughts you repeat about money can slowly become beliefs. If you often say, "Money never stays with me. I am always struggling," or "People like me cannot become wealthy," your mind may begin to accept these words as facts. You may then overlook opportunities, doubt your abilities, or make decisions from fear. These thoughts do not keep you safe. They keep you connected to the same painful story. Changing your thinking does not mean pretending that financial problems do not exist. It means refusing to let today's challenges decide what is possible tomorrow. When an old thought appears, pause and replace it with something more helpful. You can say, "I am learning to handle money with confidence. I am open to better opportunities. My financial life can improve." At first, these new thoughts may feel unfamiliar, and that is completely normal. You have repeated the old story for a long time, so your mind needs time to accept a different one. Be patient with yourself and continue choosing words that support the life you want. Every positive thought can lead to a better choice, and every better choice can move you toward greater financial peace. Your mind is not working against you. It is learning a new way to see money, opportunity, and your own ability to succeed. Feeling worthy of wealth begins with understanding that wanting financial comfort does not make you selfish or greedy. It is natural to want enough money to feel safe, support your loved ones, enjoy meaningful experiences, and live without constant stress. You do not need to struggle forever to prove that you are a good person. You are allowed to desire a life that feels peaceful, stable, and comfortable. Sometimes, past experiences can make you believe that wealth is meant for other people, but not for you. Perhaps you were taught that money is difficult to earn, or you watch the people around you struggle. Those experiences may have shaped your beliefs, but they do not have to shape your future. You can appreciate where you came from while choosing something better for yourself. Your worth is not decided by how much money you have today. You are already worthy because of who you are. Begin treating yourself like someone who deserves greater opportunities. Respect your time, value your skills, accept fair payment, and stop feeling guilty for wanting more. When you truly believe that financial comfort is possible for you, you become more willing to receive it. Remind yourself gently, "I deserve to feel secure, I deserve to prosper, and I am ready to accept the good that is entering my life." A peaceful relationship with money begins when you stop treating it like an enemy. Money is simply a tool that helps you meet your needs, make choices, and create a more comfortable life. When you constantly fear money, avoid checking your finances, or feel guilty whenever you spend it, even simple decisions can become stressful. But when you approach money with calm attention, you begin to feel more confident and in control. Start noticing how you speak about money. Instead of saying, "I hate paying bills," remind yourself that each payment provides something useful, such as a safe home, electricity, food, or transportation. When money leaves your hands, release it without fear. Trust that you can continue creating, earning, saving, and receiving more. Building a better relationship with money also means caring for what you already have. You can spend wisely, save what you can, and make choices that support your future. Even a small amount handled with care can help you feel more secure. You do not need to become perfect with money overnight. Simply become more aware, patient, and responsible each day. As your fear becomes smaller, your confidence grows. Money no longer feels like something that controls your emotions. It becomes something you can understand, respect, and manage with peace. Opportunities do not always arrive in a dramatic or obvious way. Sometimes they appear as a simple idea, a new person you meet, a skill you feel interested in learning, or a small chance to do something differently. If you are only waiting for money to appear in one specific way, you may miss the other doors that are quietly opening around you. Begin paying attention to what people need and what you can offer. A talent you have ignored may become an extra source of income. A conversation may lead you toward better work. A problem you know how to solve may become a useful service. Even an old idea may return at the right time and show you a new path. Stay curious instead of quickly deciding that something will never work. Recognizing an opportunity does not mean saying yes to everything. It means looking carefully, trusting your judgment, and taking a small step when something feels right. You do not need to know the entire path before you begin. One honest action can lead to another, and a small opening can grow into something meaningful. Remind yourself that possibilities exist even when you cannot see all of them yet. The more open and aware you become, the easier it is to notice the people, ideas, and choices that can improve your financial life. Receiving more money also means trusting yourself to handle it well. Sometimes, people desire financial abundance, but secretly fear losing it, spending it incorrectly, or becoming overwhelmed by greater responsibility. These hidden worries can create doubt. You may question whether you are truly ready for more, even while asking for it. You do not need to know everything about money before your situation improves. You can learn one step at a time. You can create a simple budget, make careful choices, save a small amount, and ask for guidance when you need it. Every thoughtful decision strengthens your confidence and shows you that you are capable of managing more. Trust also means allowing yourself to receive without guilt. When someone pays you fairly, offers you an opportunity, gives you a gift, or supports your growth. Accept it with appreciation. You do not have to refuse good things because you fear being a burden or feel that others deserve them more. Receiving does not take anything away from another person. Tell yourself, I am ready to receive more, and I trust myself to use it wisely. Let this belief guide your actions. As your confidence grows, money begins to feel less frightening and more supportive. You become someone who can welcome financial growth, care for it responsibly, and use it to create greater peace in your life. Living with the energy of financial security does not mean spending money you do not have or pretending that every problem has disappeared. It means choosing calm, responsible actions instead of allowing fear to control you. You can begin feeling more secure before your finances are perfect by focusing on what you can manage today. Pay attention to the money you already have, even if the amount feels small. Use it carefully and give each part a clear purpose. Appreciate the bills you can pay, the food you can buy, and every sign of support in your life. This helps your mind move away from constant lack and notice the stability you are already building. Financial security also grows through simple habits. Saving a little, avoiding unnecessary spending, improving your skills, and looking for better opportunities can slowly create meaningful change. These actions may seem small, but they tell your mind that you are caring for your future. Walk through each day with the belief that you are becoming safer, wiser, and more confident with money. You do not need to panic about every delay or unexpected expense. Challenges may appear, but you are capable of facing them. When you combine peaceful thoughts with responsible action, you create a strong foundation for lasting abundance. Money becomes something you can welcome with confidence, manage with care, and use to support the life you truly desire. Money can reach you through expected and unexpected paths, sometimes much sooner than you imagine. Stay open to new ideas, trust your ability to receive more, and continue making choices that support your financial future. Release the belief that struggle must last forever. You are worthy of stability, comfort, and abundance, and every positive thought and responsible action can move you closer to that life. If these words encourage you, please like this video and share it with someone who needs hope about their financial future. In the comments, write, I am ready to receive abundance, and let this become your new belief. Subscribe to the channel for more healing and empowering affirmations. Keep trusting, keep moving forward, and remember that greater financial possibilities may already be making their way into your life.